Good morning, students. Today we will cover the topic copyright and trademark, which are very important topic as per the point of your question paper as well as your daily life. In the learning objectives, we will deal with different intellectual property rights. So first of all, we have to understand what is intellectual property. Then we will study in detail copyright and trademark. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property means patents, trademarks, registered design, copyright, confidentiality, trade secrets, and plant variants. According to the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO, intellectual property refers to creations of the mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. It is a blanket term for a variety of assets created by the mind, otherwise classified as intangible property. The rights to the intellectual property can be claimed exclusively by the creator or recipient of ownership transfer and covers the expression of an idea rather than idea itself. Status governing various intellectual property rights: Trademark Act 1999, Copyright Acts 1957, Designs Act 2000 and the Patent Act 1970. Trademark: any sign which distinguishes your goods or services from that of another. For example, McDonald, the symbol Toyota, Maruti Suzuki, they have a particular symbol which distinguishes their products from other company products. Name, logo, color, shape or combination. Whatever may be the sign, it must be different from others. An application requires some money, but it is fixed for the last 10 years. It should not describe the goods or services. Designs, registered, unregistered rights protects the outward appearances of the goods, shape, contour, pattern, ornamentation, and for your first design it cost some money, around 60 pounds. Does not protect materials, functions or production methods. Patent, a bargain, exclusive rights over 20 years. State has the exclusive rights of 20 years given to the inventors, and inventor pays the fees for technical description to the states. What is copyright? A copyright refers to the legal right of the owner of intellectual property. In a simpler terms, copyright is the right to copy. This means that the original creators of products and anyone they give authorization to are the only ones with the exclusive right to reproduce the work. Copyright law gives creators of original material the exclusive right to further use and duplicate that material for a given amount of time, at which the point the copyrighted item becomes public domain. For example, when we purchase a book and then get it photocopied, Xerox copied, then it is the violation of Copyright Act. Copyright is a form of protection given to authors and creators of their original works. This property right can be sold or transferred to others. When someone creates a product that is viewed as original and that required significant mental activity to create, this product becomes an intellectual property that must be protected from unauthorized duplication. Examples of unique creations include computer software, art, poetry, graphic design, musical lyrics and compositions, novels, films, original architectural designs, website content, etc. One safeguard that can be used to legally protect an original creation is the copyright. Copyright conventions. Berne Convention accepted in 1886. Works protected by national law irrespective of where the work was created. 163 countries are parties to the convention. Second one is Universal Copyright Convention adopted in 1952. An alternative for countries that believed that Berne overlay benefited Western developed copyright exporting nations, they form another convention, that is Universal Copyright Convention. Criteria for protection of copyright. For copyright to subsist, the work must be recorded in a material form. Second one, the work must be original, not copied, sufficient labor, skill and effort. Sufficiently connected to qualify under UK law, authorship, publication, place of transmission. And fourth one is not excluded on public policy, moral grounds, obscene, blasphemous and libelous. Copyright for literary work. All works expressed in print or writing. Artistic work, a work of artistic craftsmanship, not quality. Films, moving images produced by any means, and published editions, typographical arrangements. How long does copyright last? Literary, musical, artistic, dramatic works, author's lifetime plus 70 years. Films, 70 years after the death of the last of director, composer of any music specifically created for the film, the author of the screenplay. And published editions, typographical layout के लिए होगा 25 years from first publication the script writers. Trademark is any mark capable of being represented graphically which is capable of distinguishing goods or services of one undertaking from those of other undertakings. A sign can include a letter, word, name, including personal name, signature, figurative elements, numeral device, brand, heading, label, ticket, aspects of packing, shape, color, sound, or any combination of these features. Registration of trademark. To apply for a trademark, a person must adhere to the provisions enlisted under Section 18 of the Act. This section requires any persons applying for a trademark to apply in writing in the manner that is prescribed for the registration. The application has to contain the names of the mark, goods and services, the class under which goods and services fall, the period of the use of the mark, and the personal details of the applicant such as name and address. Functions of a trademark. A trademark serves the purpose of identifying the source of the design of goods. Trademark performs the following four functions. Number 1, it identifies the product and its origin. कहाँ से बना हुआ कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है. नंबर 2, it proposes the guarantee its quality. Trademark gives the guarantee of its quality. We have to keep in mind. The advertises the product. The trademark represents the product. It creates an image of the product in the minds of the public, particularly the consumers or the prospective consumers of such goods. Infringement of trademark. The term infringement means the violation of someone's right. Therefore, according to the Act of a trademark is infringed if the trademark is a copy of a registered trademark with a view, additions or alterations. Number 2, if the infringed mark is printed or used in advertisements. Number 3, if the infringed mark is used in the course of trade. Number 4, if the mark used is so similar to a registered mark that it is likely to confuse or deceive a consumer when selecting a category of product. जब दो एक जैसे दिखते हो तो भी ये आपका एक प्रकार से इंफ्रिंजमेंट कहलाता है. Copyright versus trademarks and patents. While copyright law is not all encompassing, other laws such as patent and trademark may impose additional sanctions. Although copyright, trademark and patents are frequently used interchangeably, they offer different forms of protection for intellectual property. हर एक का अपना एक महत्व है. Trademark laws protect materials that is used to distinguish an individual's or corporation's work from another entity. These materials include words, phrases or symbols such as logos, slogans and brand names, which copyright laws do not cover. Patents cover inventions for a limited period of time. Patented material include products such as industrial processes, machines and chemical composition. Thanking you. For any query, you can contact me rajeshgautam@gpisa.ac.in. Thank you again.